was looking through the echo of a thought I thought was mine. Shadows dressed as answers blur the edges of the light. I didn't need another question. I didn't need a sign. Just a quiet clearing where the truth could rise. And now I see, without the noise, what was always here finds its voice. Nothing added, nothing forced, just the lens coming clear. Every word fell silent, every story loose in grip. What I held is certain was a mask I let slip. No fixing, no breaking, no need to defend. Just a moment, remembering it never needed to bend. And now I see, without the strain, what was lost return.